In this video, I will show you how you can switch between the user accounts on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just search this. From here, just tap on Users under Accounts and Backup. Tap on Users, and from here you can switch between the user accounts. As you can see, currently we are on the second user profile, which I have named Mark, but if you want to switch back to the owner profile, just tap on Owner and select Switch to Owner. And as you can see, we have switched back to the owner profile. Also, there is another method to switch between the profiles. If you open the control center on your tablet, you will find this profile icon over here. Now just tap on the profile icon, and from here you can switch between the users. Currently we are on the owner profile, but you can also switch to a different profile which you have created, or you can switch to the guest profile. Just select the profile from here, and by doing that you will switch between the user profiles on your tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.